Hello everyone. If you wanted to know how you can download Clash Royale on your computer, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to play Clash Royale on your computer easily. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up your web browser and you're going to search for Google Play Games. You're going to click onto this first link from play.google.com. You're going to click on download on PC here. Download this application up, and then once you're done downloading, install it. And after you're done with the installation, then you're going to open Google Play Games up. And once you're here, you're going to click onto this explore button, and then you're going to search for Clash Royale. You're going to click onto Clash Royale here, click install here. And as you can see, Clash Royale is downloading on our computer. So just wait for it to complete downloading. It can take a little while depending on how fast your internet is. And once it's done downloading, it will start installing on your computer. After it's done installing, you're just going to click on play here. And as you can see, we have successfully downloaded and installed Clash Royale on our computer. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.